1 Fremont Street, Las Vegas. This is where it all started, baby. Welcome everyone on this Vegas NOLA Man, my stay at the historic Golden Gate Hotel and Casino. The Golden Gate Hotel originally opened as the Hotel Nevada in 1906 and was one of the first buildings in Las Vegas to receive heating, plumbing, electricity, and a telephone. The hotel was built by John F. Miller, who was among the first to come to Las Vegas in 1905. One of the early founders of Las Vegas, his wife Rosa can be seen posing in the window here. The Golden Gate Casino is one of the smallest and oldest casinos in Las Vegas, and mostly consists of a well-balanced selection of slot machines. There are also a few poker tables and a few table games that feature dancing dealers in the evening hours. If you haven't already, you can sign up here to get your Player One card. You'll get $5 in free play. The casino only has one bar and there are no dining options. But there is a lot of Las Vegas history to enjoy and explore. My check-in experience at Golden Gate was good. At check-in time, I was told I could have a quieter room if I was willing to wait a little longer. However, I opted to check into the room that was immediately ready for me that was located directly on Fremont Street. Out of morbid curiosity. The desk staff was very polite and professional and welcoming. This dividing line shows you where the original rooms are located from 1906. The standard rooms at Golden Gate measure up at a very tight 248 square feet. It comes with a queen-size bed with just 2 pillows. And the mattress felt like it was sealed in a very thick coating of plastic. The room was clean, and despite its size and age, I thought it was rather remarkable what the Stevens brothers have done with the place. Especially if you consider how many drunken, dirty, degenerate gamblers have slept here for over the past 100 years.
You're lucky you got air conditioning in here like Mother Nature intended.
Oh yeah, the whole environmental control and system was outdated and weird. The furniture was all banged up and older than sin, but you have everything you need to get you through the night. There is a closet. The room was on the second floor facing Fremont Street, so of course it was crazy loud until about 3 a.m. in the morning. And the windows actually opened up so you could even get more of the sounds and all the funny little smells of Fremont Street. The bathroom was very small and scary, but it was clean and it got the job done. There was plenty of hot water and water pressure in the scary shower. There isn't a pool at the Golden Gate, but you get a free pass to Stadium Swim at Circa. Thank you for watching. You can show support for this content by hitting the Super Thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Tap one of these boxes for more fabulous content. And hit that center icon to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.